Hello everyone, welcome back to Oliveboard. My name is Umer Mir. Very good evening everyone, very good evening. Okay, continuation of this series, we are doing the practice for arithmetic. Okay, after this, from Monday we are going to deal with the DI. Like for tomorrow, it will be obviously practice for arithmetic continuation. Okay, so what can be the expected question that can be asked in LIC, ADO and ADO, WN and ADO? We are going to deal with that. Okay, let everyone join fast. Yes, good evening everyone, very good evening. Yes. Yeah, Purnima said it is good evening, very good evening, my dear. Okay, we are going to deal with this. Obviously, we are going to tackle what are the previous year or memory based question or expected question from arithmetic. Okay, that can be asked in this exam at the WA. Okay, we are going to deal with that. Okay. Rajeshwari, good evening, my dear, very good evening. Okay, yes. Let everyone join fast. Good evening, Bharat. Yeah, Ananya, very good evening, everyone. Okay. So obviously everyone knows regarding this. I'm not going to waste this time again, but everyone knows that. But it will be quite benefit for you. Okay. So go for this. Okay. Now, I have just taken question 1. Manoj, very good evening, my dear. Okay. Yeah, go for it. सर मैथ के लिए सेफ स्कोर काइंडली बताइए LIC PO प्रीलिम्स के लिए. ओके या सो इसके लिए सेफ स्कोर ओके वो मैं बताऊंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. या आई विल टेल यू दैट आल्सो, डोंट वरी. गो फॉर द क्वेश्चन. ना 15 days, very good. Most of why I take this question, remember that some people are mostly doing this question by LCM trying to do, but that's why in case they give you a variable question based question on work, what should be your, good evening Divya. Okay, what should be your strategy if they give you a question from variable based? Question is quite simple, nothing, my dear, but they will try to confuse you with the variable. How to tackle that? We are going to do this. Okay, sir, we know that everything is quite clear that Aman alone can complete a piece of work in X days. It is quite clear that Sagar says hi boss. Okay, so Aman can calculate the work in how much? Obviously you don't have to write Aman also, simple in exam, everything. Sir, A can complete a work in X days. Okay, B can complete a work alone as how much days? Sir, X plus 5 days. Okay, if I take an LCM, calculate the whatever, it is not possible. Okay, if they together can complete the same work in 6 days, I can write that A plus B can complete the same work in 6 days. So it will be quite benefit for me, sir. They are doing this much. Okay, what will be 1 day work? Sir, 1 upon X. What will be the 1 day work? Sir, 1 upon X plus 5. So, what will be the 1 day work of A plus B? Sir, 1 upon 6. Just try to compare this. Okay, sir, 1 day work of both will be 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 5. Just balance this equation, you will get the value of X. What you have calculated, Anirban Go, Guruji, okay. Boss, nahi, Guruji boliye. It's okay, don't worry. I didn't pose anyone. Yeah, you can call me anything, but no problem. Be focused, but please pay focus. So it will be X square plus 5X, that is 1 upon 6. So it will be 2X plus 5 multiplied with 6 is nothing but X square plus 5X. What is the value of X you calculated, my dear? What is the value of X? Okay, give me the value of X, sir. Good evening, very good evening, my dear. This is a quadratic equation, just solve it and get the value of X. What we have to calculate, find the number of days Barun can complete the whole work. This is the number of days, X plus 5. X, yeah, definitely. If some people got stuck, we are not able to solve, I will tell them how to solve a quadratic equation. You will definitely get 10 here, and the bottom will solve how much? 10 plus 5. Okay, if you have query regarding this, how to solve, I will tell you. Some people will say, sir, we stuck. Okay, it will be 30 minus 5x. Minus 5, it will be x square. Okay, minus 7x minus 30. Okay, it will be how much, sir? How we can break? Okay, 10 and 3 minus, it will be plus, it will be minus, so 3. So you got the value of x as a 10. Quadratic equation is very important. Minimum mostly you will get, and if you see the previous year pattern based on that, 5 questions can be asked from quadratic. I mean minimum. I mean like that 3, 4, 5 are to be asked. Yes. Yes, go for next question, my dear. Huh? Good evening, Neha. Good evening. Okay, answers are coming 60, 80, like that, 40. Huh? Have a look, my dear. Okay, so yeah, you have a look. Okay, sir, 48 aa raha hai. Okay, no problem. There may be an error in any option. Okay, if you have any, take an option as none of these also. If there is no option, I mean, what you have calculated, you should be first sure. Some people have given me the answer as 40, some people 42, some people 48. So let's assume that what could be the done. So the age of B is 8 years more than A. If I assume value of A, it will be okay. Now let's assume what can be related term. The age of C is 11 years less than B. Okay, very good. And the age of A is 5 years less than D. So B is related to A is related to C is related to B, and A itself is related to D. So if I assume that the age of D is X, what will be the age of A? It will be 5. So X minus 5. Very good. A, B done. Okay, AD done. What will be the B? Sir, B is nothing. Definitely it says that it will be 8 years, means more than A. So how much it will be? X plus 3. What about C? So C is 11 years less than B. So it will be X minus 8. Yes, Ananya said it is 42. Yes, Divya says it will be 38. So questions are, I mean, everyone is giving me the answer as different. Huh? No one is giving me the exact, I mean, answers are coming quite different. Okay. Now what it is given that if the sum of A, B, C is given, okay, sir, their sum is given, okay, what could be the sum? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sir, 4x. Very good. Minus 5, okay, it will be how much? Minus 13 plus it will be plus 10. Okay, sorry, not minus 10. That is how much? How much, my dear? It is given as 70. Very good. So 4x will be how much? 80. X will be how much, sir? 20. Good. till now there should not be any confusion. Anirban Ghosh, sir, ha, 20, he, I mean 42. Okay, everyone is giving me the different answer. No problem. Find the sum of age of A and B after 2 years. After 2 years. What is age of A presently? Okay, age of A is how much? We are going to do A and D. Okay, so what is A? It will be x minus 5. X minus 5 will be mean obviously 15. Very good. After 2 years, it will be 17. Okay, no problem. And B. So what is the B? It will be how much, sir? 20. It will be 23. Obviously, it is 20 plus it will be 20 plus 2 will be how much? It will be 25. Okay, what is the age? That will be 42. Is there any option 42? 42, Rajeshwari 42. Yes, Divakar, very good, my dear. 42, Divya 42. Very good, Ananya and Anirban. Some people, yes. But have a look, my dear. Okay, maybe while designing question, I should have a design like 42. I didn't 40. Okay, so what is your answer? That matters. You should be confident regarding your calculation. Calculation, we did perfect everything. Move for the next. After 2 years, it has been asked. Huh? If present age, it should be, yeah. Now answers are coming as Anirban Ghosh 40, Abhishek 40, Divakar 40. Quite good, my dear. Okay, this type of questions have been frequently asked. Okay, in prelims, not in mains, prelims level question. Okay, go for it, my dear. Huh? Question is two station P and Q are at a distance of 225. Okay, and the train A starts from station P and train B starts from station Q. Okay, so respectively they are moving opposite to each other. Okay, and they meet after 3 hours. Different for these all type of question, there is only one trick. Okay, whenever they are moving in opposite direction, speed will be added up. Just nothing. Time is how much? Distance upon speed. Equate to time, it is given how much? 3 hours. Okay, if speed of A is 5 km more than B, so if I assume that speed of B is x, what will be speed of A? Definitely it will be x plus 5. So speed of B you have, speed of A you have, in only one variable. Calculate the equation. Sir, how much? Okay, what is the total distance? Okay, sir, it is 225. What is total speed? I mean, it will be, they are moving in opposite direction, speed will add up. So x plus 5 will be 2x plus 5. That is nothing equal to how much time they are taking? 3 hours. So just balance this equation. This will be the option. Nothing, my dear. Okay, it will be 225. Okay, that is how much? 6x plus 15, and 6x is how much? 210. Try to divide it. Okay, it will be first 3 times will be how much? 18. Then again 3, 30. So it will be 35. Good. So if 35 is the value of x, what does that mean? Speed of train B is 35. What will be speed of A? It will be 40. Quite easy. I mean, yes. Bharat, Divya, Manoj, Ananya, Chandrika, very good. Good, my dear. Yes. So option number B will be the correct option. Huh? In case you find any, yeah. If you find that your answer and my answer doesn't match, you can give me your answer, sir. My answer is there. There is not any option present. Yes, there can be none of these. Okay, very good. Okay. Good, my dear Ghosh, Anirban Ghosh, Abhishek Das, answers are coming, Shalini. So they are constrained to answer 320. I mean, they are just find the sir, this will be the answer for this question. Very good. Ananya Chandrika, good evening. Nitansh Kundal, yes, good evening, my dear, very good evening. Question is like that. This is from partnership. Okay, what it says, there is not a fixed value. I mean, some questions you will be directly asked that A, B, C, they are in partnership, they invested this much, this much, this much. You have to calculate time. They invested this much, this much, this much. After that, profit will be there. Calculate the profit share. This much, this much, this much. Calculate that for how much time they have invested. Or here we have to calculate the difference between the profit share. In fact, investment is not given. How to tackle such question? A, B, C enter into a partnership with a capital. Total capital means sum of all capitals. Okay. Capital of C is 1400 less than capital of A. So if I assume that A has invested X, investment, X rupees. What will be C, sir? It is X minus 4, 1400. Very good. Okay, clear. Now, capital C. Okay. Also, okay. Capital of C is 200 more than capital of B. So obviously, if B is this, I mean, B has more investment. It will be X minus 16. This has 200 more investment, means this has B has 200 less. Does this, okay, it means that. Okay, now if at the end of a year the total profit is this much, we will see later this by profit share ratio. Okay, it is says that the total sum of capital is given as this much. Sir, if I assume that if I add them, it will be total capital, na? So it will be 3x. Okay, minus it will be how much? 3000. Very good. That is given as 17400, 17,400. So 3x will be how much? 14,400. Yes, good evening. Yeah, calculate the value of X, sir. X is nothing. It will be, calculate the value of X, 4 times will be 12, 6 times, okay, 46. Yes, 20. It is plus. Where I make mistake? It is minus here, it will go that side, it will be plus. Definitely it should be plus. 17 plus 300, it will be 20. Okay, make a mistake, silly mistakes. So 20400. Okay, now divide it with this, divide with 3. Very good. Sir, it will be 3. Okay, it will be 20, it will be how much? 3, 6 will be 18, there will be 2, it will be 6. 6,600. 384 will be 24, yeah. Okay, 60, okay. Now what has been asked to you, from that you calculate the value of X. Sir, 6,800, okay. Similarly, what could be the capital of this? Okay, 68 minus, it will be 54, okay. It will be how much? 68 minus, it will be 5,200. Everything you have to, you have everything, my dear. Capital of this, this and this. You can calculate the investment ratio. Sir, the total, find the difference between the profit share of how much? A and B. Sir, I will calculate first the ratio. Sir, it will be 68 to that of 54 to that of 52. Divide with 2 will be how much, sir? 34 to that of 27 to that of 26. They cannot reduce further. Definitely, they cannot reduce further. Yes, yeah. Shalini, good. Anirban, Abhishek, yes, Bharat Vidya. Yeah, there was some mistake. Yeah, you calculate this is a profit share ratio. Now, what has been asked? Sir, what is the share of profit between them, A and B? What is the difference between them, A and B? Definitely 7. Upon, what is the total ratio? You will calculate 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, okay. 1 will, I mean, 1 will carry 2, 2, 4, 7, 8. 87 multiply with how much? 3480. Calculate the value, definitely you will get it, okay? Clear, my dear? Hope it is clear to everyone. Yeah, clear to everyone. I mean, what you will definitely get, you have to just cut it down. It will be, yes, you will get 320. Yeah, the question is like that. First, we have to calculate the profit ratio that we have calculated. Then, what is the difference between the profit share between A and B that we have calculated between them? A and B will be 7 divided by total ratio multiplied with total profit. Good evening, Divya, Ananya. Oh, okay, good, great. 8 आएगा क्या? Where? Where, my dear? It is asked between, okay. So what is A? A is this much. Oh my God. Mistake is here, my dear. By mistake, silly mistake. Sir, this was C you have taken here. B was this much. B was 52. You take C. I mean, I just take this order. That's why there was a mistake. Don't, you please try avoid this also. So it will be 26 will be here. 26 will be here. It will be 27 here. Okay. No problem, my dear. It will be 8. Why I make mistake? Because I calculated first A, then C, then B. But that's why I just take it as A and B. You please avoid this mistake, huh? What I have done, yes. ABC, ratio difference of AB. Yes, yes, my dear. Okay, Divya. Chandrika, Aishwe, Muhammad, Vakar, Divya, Shalini, Devi, Manoj, Ananya, Abhishek, very good, Anirban, Divakar. Okay, Bharat. Okay, have a look, my dear. It is given that in a school, the students are given in the 3 classes ratio, this. If 20 students are increased in every, okay. Remember that the question can be done by 2 ways. Yes, Priya, Sagar, Abhishek. If ratio is given, percentage is given, you can take anything. But if ratio is given, value is given, we have to take variable. I told you, this type of question is given. Sir, it will be the question they have like simple. If 3 classes will be, they have 2x, they have 3x, and they have 5x student. Okay. Now 20 students have increased it. It will become 2x plus 20. Okay. It will become 3x plus 20. It will become 5x plus 20. Now this ratio become how much? It will become 4:5:7. So these are same. We just balance these two. Okay, we just balance first 2. Just try to equate them, sir. 2x plus 20 upon 3x plus 20 should be equal to 4 upon 5. Okay, just try to multiply it. It will be 10x plus 100. That is nothing. It will be 12x plus 80. Okay, this to this, x will be how much? 2x is 20, x is 10. What has been asked? We are going to do that. Okay, what is the total number of students in class, in the 3 classes before the class was increased? Before increment, it has been asked to do this much. Okay, it will be 3 to 5, and that will be 10x, and x was how much? 10. So it will be 100. So this was the answer. Everyone has cleared this. Everyone give me the... Guys, in case you have any doubt in mind, yes, 16x minus 10x will be 60. Some people propose, they take first and last, some people take first, second, but you will reach the same. Okay. In case you have any doubt in mind, anything, you can ask me. Huh? Answers are coming. Okay. Manoj 25, Shalini 25, Divakar 34, Anirban it is 22, Ananya 25, Kavipriya, okay, it is 25, Das 25. So, I mean, most of the students, most of my friends are interested in option number, yes, last, I mean, this 25, option D. Okay, let's have a look, my dear. Okay, Anirban said, nice, sir, it is 25. Okay. Mark price of an article is 45, above it is cost price. And if value is given in percentile, we will take 100, it will be 145 and leave. But if values are given, I mostly prefer you, if a numerical value is given, take variable x, yeah, sorry, calculation mistake, in order to avoid mistake, okay, don't worry. So, sir, if cost price is 100x, definitely mark price will be how much, sir? 145x. Everyone knows. In case you have any question, please ask. Now, by giving a discount on mark price this much, he earned a profit of this much. By giving discount, you will calculate selling price. There is one difference between selling price. Obviously, mark price is nothing but selling price plus discount. If you subtract discount from mark price, you will get selling price. What is that? So 20% is given as discount. So selling price will be how much? So 80. So you can directly write 4 upon 5 of how much? 145x. Okay, it will be how much? 29 times. 29 times. Okay, that will be 4. So it will be 116. Mark price will be 116. Okay, I calculate everything. Selling price will be how much? 116x. You have cost price, you have mark price, you have everything. Everything you have, my dear. What to you to calculate now? Okay, it is given that if he give a discount, he earned this much profit. What is profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price. What will be the difference between them? Yes, what will be the difference between them? Calculate difference, my dear. It will be how much? 29. So 29 is nothing. It is 29, na? Sorry. Why are I making mistake? What is difference? I have to take difference between cost price and selling price, na? That is why I mostly make mistake here. That's why. So what will the profit will be? Selling price minus cost price. That is 16x, and that 16x is how much? 128. Yes. Great, my dear. 16x, yes. Calculate the value, my dear. What will be? Yes. Sir, 16, it will be 6 times 8 times 80, and that with, okay, 48, it will be 8 times. You calculate the value of 8, 80 and 48 will be 128. You calculate the value of X. Now what has been done, we will calculate. I mean, selling price minus cost price, I equate, I got this. What is the profit occur when he sells the same article 72 rupees more than it is selling price? What is selling price? Sir, selling price will be this much. Okay, what is the selling price? Give me the expression for selling price. Okay, sir, selling price is nothing but 116 multiply with 8. Okay, sir, it will be 48. Okay, sorry, 4 carry 8, 12, 1 carry 8. Now, very good, very good. Okay, sir, 16 into 8 will be this, 17 plus 2 will be, yeah, great, my dear, no problem. Now, this is selling price. What has been asked, my dear, what will be the profit that if he sells 72 more than, 72 more than, now selling price will be how much? 72 more than, it will be how much? If I add, it will be 1000. If I add 72, this will be 1000. Selling price is this. What will be the cost price? Similarly, you can calculate the profit percentile. Definitely, yes. What is profit percentile? Everyone knows. Everyone knows that. Sir, profit percent is nothing. What will be the difference between selling price and this? It will be 200. 200. Very good. What is this? This is 800. Multiply with 100. 1 upon 4, that is 25%. Yes, Divya, Anirban, Shalini, Abhijek Das, okay, Ananya and Manoj. 25. Okay, guys, if you like the session, please do like. If you like the session, please do like. Now, move on this question. Sir, it is given that P, Q and R together can complete a work in 20 days and the ratio of time taken by P, Q, R is how much? It is given as 8:6:3. How many days time taken by Q and R together to complete the whole work? Okay, the options are given. Okay, yes. Thank you. Okay. P, Q, R together can complete the work in 20 days. Okay, it is given that the ratio of time ratio is given. How much? Sir, we know that if I calculate the time, I mean time ratio between P, Q, R, how much it is given as? 8:6:3. What will be the efficiency ratio? Sir, we know that efficiency ratio is reciprocal of time ratio. So it will be 1/8 to that of 1/6 to that of 1/3. Okay, from that I can calculate, yeah, definitely. Now, what you will do, sir, once we calculate this, we will calculate a proper, it is like a fraction. Make a simple term. So it will be LCM will be 8, 6, it will be 24. Make it 24 means multiplication of 3. It will be 3 by 24. Okay. A multiplication of 4, it will be 4 by 24. It will be 8 by 24. So can I write ratio will be 3:4:8? 3:4:8. This is an efficiency. Yes, my dear. Okay. Yes, this is an efficiency. Or you can, some people write this, sir, if this is your choice, my dear. If values is given, you can take numerical value as well. You don't have. Yes. Now what has been given, my dear? Sir, total efficiency is this. Total time is this. What will be the total work? You can assume, your choice, my dear. What is given to you, you can assume or you cannot assume values. A variable depends upon you. Okay, now, sir, total efficiency is how much? Efficiency is how much, sir? It is given as 15, okay. And total time taken by is this much, okay. It will be how much? 20. So it will be how much? It will be 300. Yes, 300 is a total work. This is total work. Everyone knows that how to calculate total work. Sir, total work will be 200. What has been given that? How many days taken by Q and R together to complete the work? Q and R. What is the efficiency for them? Sir, it is 12. Efficiency for Q and R is how much? 12. Yes, my dear. So it will be how much? Number of days you can calculate. What is total work? 300. Simple. How much efficiency they have? 12. Definitely, what will be the value? Definitely will be 25 days. 25 into 10 will be 250, and then 50 will be 300. Yes, 25 days. Yes. Is there anyone having any issue regarding this? Why I mostly reduce calculation? That is, you have to, how much you can reduce? Okay. Why I mostly, you can take X also. Sometimes if the data is given in numerical and all that, to avoid mistake, you can take a variable X. Yes. Chandrika, has it clear to everyone? In case you have any question in mind, any doubt, you can ask. You are allowed, my dear. Huh? Answers are coming 26, 28, 25, 28, 28, 12. I don't know why are you so, okay. There is something given that sum of present age of A, B, C is given as 52 years and the age of A is 3/5 of the age of B. Okay, if present after 11 years the age of B is equal to the 3 times the present age of C. Got my dear? Okay. It is given that then the present age of C is. Question is little bit confusing, but it is prelims based question. Have a look, my dear. I told you many times whenever it is a question from partnership, it is from average, it is from what we call age. There is the trick or most method we mostly use when it is A's investment is 3/5 of someone's investment, average is 3/5 of someone's, or age is 3/5 of someone. I mean, if I take that and age of A is 3/5 of B. Okay, if I take B is 5x, if I assume that B is 5x, now how question becomes very simple without fraction. What will be the A? A will be 3/5, it will be 3x. Without fraction, yes. Same you will apply for every question whenever it is for partnership, average, age. So you can use this trick, definitely you will get a simple. Okay, now if A is B is now, what about C? Sir, after 11 years, age of B, okay, after 11 years, it will be 5x plus 11, will be after 11 years, this is present age, this is present, okay, this is present, okay. After 11 years, it will be 5x plus 11. Their age is equal to the 3 times the present age of C. Present age of C, sir, yes, sir, it has been 12 years, okay, 12, okay. Now, what about C? If I assume that C has a present age, if I assume that it is C, let's assume that it is C. So it will be 3. Present age of C is C. Clear, my dear? Now what has been asked to you? Calculate it, okay? So we have A, we have B, we have C. Everything you have been asked that. Now the question is how much it is given as 3 times C, present age of, sum of present age of A, B, C is given this much. Sir, it is given of A plus B plus of C is given as 52. Sir, can I write that? It will be 5x plus 3x. What about C? C will be, sir, 5x plus 11 upon 3, that is 52. Just try to multiply it with 3. It will be 15x plus 9x plus 5x, okay, plus 11 is how much? 156. Okay, great. Sir, it is 20, it will be 29x is how much? 145. Yes, what is the value of x? Okay, sir. Is this clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? So value of x will be 5. Okay, what we have done according to the given condition, we just applied and we got the value of x. Okay, if value of x is given, you will calculate this, you will calculate this, you will calculate everything, you will calculate. Now, if I am going to calculate the value of C, it is given that present age of C, we have taken only C. So I am going to calculate C. It will be how much, sir? 25 plus 11, it will be 36. 36 divided by 3 is C. So C is how much? 12. So this is a present age of, is there any option 12? Now it is coming as 12 years. Manoj, very good. Sir, yes, sir. Bharat, it is, sir, it is as a 12 years. Hope, the concept is very important. The thing you obtain from this, whenever the question is, mostly we have seen from partnership, average and what we called age. Whenever it is given that sums age, sums investment and all, that is 3/5 of this, 3/5. You can assume simple values, some such that you can, you can eliminate this fraction term. If I assume this is 5x, this will be this. There is no fraction term. Yes. Hope it is clear to everyone, huh? Okay. Answers are coming, sorry for delay. Okay, now what's been given? Okay, calculated. Okay, the sum of length of train A and B is given as 700 meter and the speed of train A is given. Okay, speed of A is given, length of both trains is given. Okay, if they are, yeah, I will try. Okay, if now the question is that if they are running in opposite direction, then they can cross each other in how much? 20 seconds. Find the speed of train B. It means that yes, speed of train A is given, you have to calculate speed of B. Okay, now it is given in kilometer per hour and length of train mostly we seen it is in meter. It should be only in meter. Okay, but it is speed given as kilometer per hour. Okay, what is speed of train A? Speed of train A is given as how much, sir? 54 kilometer per hour. In order to, I have to calculate in meter per second. We multiply with 5 upon 18. So 18 one time is 18 3 times, so it will be 15 meter per second is speed of train A. What is speed of train B? We don't know. If we take, sir, any value x. Okay, now they cross each other in 20 seconds. What is distance? Total distance of both length, it is, sir, 700. Okay, what is total speed? Sir, 15 plus x. Why I'm taking x? Because they both are running in opposite direction. Okay, it will be 20. Distance upon speed, that is time. How much? Very good, sir. It will be 700. Okay, that is nothing. 300. Okay, that with 20x. It will be, yeah. What will be this? It will be 400. Is nothing but 20x. X is 20. What is x? It is speed. How much? 20. What is 20? Sir, it is meter per second. Meter per second is speed. In case you have to convert it back into, obviously, sir, speed of train B is how much? 20 meter per second. So it will be 18 upon 5. 5 1 time is 5, 4 times is 36 into 2 will be 72. That will be kilometer per hour. Simple. Okay, that is, the question is conversion. Kilometer to meter, sorry, kilometer per hour to meter per second, and meter per second to kilometer per hour. This is a conversion, very important, my dear. Six months is option E, Ananya. Okay, Geetan. Yeah, Geetan Rajput, Divakar, Divya, Anirban, Ghosh, Abhishek, Manoj, Bharat, Divi, Shali. Okay, everyone is interested in option D. Sorry, option E. It is given that A, B entered in a partnership by investing 8,000 and 5,000 for X months and X plus 2 months. I mean, we have only one variable, that is X. If we know that, done. I mean, investment time done. The total profit at the end of year. Okay, so total, I mean, the value we have to calculate, given. Okay, total profit is 3,300. Okay, and the profit share of A is how much? A is how much? 300 more than B. You can write down that A minus B is how much? 300. I mean, if what will be the profit of A minus B, you will get 3. I mean, A is, or something, you can also write A is how much? B plus 300, depending upon you, whichever you feel comfortable. Okay, now find how many months A shared in A. I mean, we have to calculate the value of X. We have to calculate the value of X. Okay, look, my dear. So if A is here, B is here. Investment how much, sir? 18,000, 80,000, 5,000. Simple. Gone. It will be 8:5. 8:5. This is a ratio of investment. Now investment time, sir, X months for A, that of. How many months, sir? It will be 5 into X plus 2. This is the profit share ratio. Now, what is this? Okay, sir, it will be how much, sir? 8X, okay, to that of 5X plus 10. Simple, this is profit share ratio. Now, everything is given to you. What is the profit of A? That will be 300 more than, okay. Can I write that? So, I can write down this ratio divided by, it is not given for any A or B. It is given for A gets 300 more. So, A minus B, it will be how much? It will be 3X minus 10 divided by what is the total profit? It will be 13X plus 10. This is given as 300 because A is 300 more. I mean, the profit will be this divided by what is total profit given? 3300. Okay. So 1 upon 11. Huh? Yes, my dear. Calculate the ratio. Now it will be how much? Sir, 33X. Okay. Minus 110. Okay. That is how much? It will be 13X plus 10. Okay. It will be how much? 20X is how much? That will be plus, it will be 120. Okay. This gone, X will be 6. So this is the value of X, and it has been asked that AB entered in a partnership by that A invest for X months that have been to calculated, but sometimes they can ask you calculate the invest for B. It has been asked for X, it can be 8. So that's why both options are there, 8 and B. Don't be confused, it was A. Yes, guys, if you like this session, please do like, huh? Okay, have a look, my dear, for this question. Okay, it is given that the ratio of number of boys and girls are in a college are given as 7:9. Okay, the percentage increase in the number of boys and girls is separate. Okay, 20% for boys and 30% of girls. Okay, if the total number of boys and girls in the college is 1440, find the ratio of boys and girls college after increase. Okay, after increase, what could be now the value? Okay, sir, the ratio of boys and girls is given this much. Okay, very good. If the percentage increase boys is 20% and 30%, the total number of boys and girls college before increase was this. Before increase was this, and their ratio is given. So, sir, it is 1440 and it is divided into how much? So, boys. Okay, it is given boys with respect to girl. So, how much ratio will be? 16. 16, huh? So total ratio is 16. It will be 9 times, huh? 9 times it will be 90. Okay, got, my dear? You will divide it, or else I will tell you how to do. If you divide it with 16, you will get 19 times 90. Okay, so boys is how much? 7 ratio. It is 9 ratio. Sir, it will be 7 upon what we call as 16 multiply with 1440. So it will be 90 times 9. It will be 630. Very good. Huh? If this is 630, what will be the remaining? It will be, or you can do 90 into 9, it will be this much. Huh? 630. Yes, sir, I have a doubt the relation sum. Please, can you explain x power 3 minus 25 is 0, y is power. Yes, Chandrika, can you please send me this question? Please send me this same question to the Telegram. We will discuss there. We are running late. Huh? That's why. Please send me there. We will discuss there. You got the number of boys and number of girls before increase. Now it is given, my dear, that boys increase by 20%. So boys will be 120, or I can definitely write 6 upon 5. Everyone knows that 20% means 6 upon 5. So 6 upon 5 of 630. What will be the boys? Give me the value of boys in after increase. Okay, what is the increase of girls? Okay, sir, it is 13%. 13 means 13 upon 10. To that up, how much it is? It is 81. Give me the value for this. Definitely we will calculate. Okay, now the ratio you will get definitely, yes. Chandrika, yeah, I will tell you there, definitely, my dear. I will tell you in Telegram group. Actually, we are running very late, so that way, if you leave this, it will be quite good problem. Okay, no, that's fine. So calculate this. So it will be 5. 1 times it will be 13. It will be 5. 2 times it will be 124 multiplied by 6. Calculate this, my dear. Go for it. So 6, 4 will 24. Okay. 2 will be carried 12 and 2 will be 14. 1 will be carried. It will be 744. Did I make any? Oh my God, it is 13. So it will be 30. It will be 6 times. It will be 6 times. Okay, okay. Mistake, silly mistake. Go for it. Okay. So it will be 6, 6, 36. 3 carry. 6 to 12 plus 3 go 50. Okay. 6, 1, 6, 7, 56. Okay. To that up. Go for this, sir. This and this one will be gone. So yes, calculate this one. Yes, 756. I know Ananya, great, my dear. Divya, Devi, very good. And it will be 1053. Like that. 1053. You have already calculated. Now find the ratio between them, my dear. So sir, it will be 28 into 39 was the ratio between them. Guys, I will stop here today only. Okay. There was obviously little bit. So little bit. Okay. Now that late we are running. So guys, I have one Telegram channel. You can join this Telegram channel. In case you have any doubt, you can ask me there. I mean, personally, if you want to connect me, okay, connect me, okay. I have a Telegram, one more, what we call Instagram handle. So it is called by Umer Mir. You can follow me there. I just upload many times. Yes, Anirban Ghosh, my dear, definitely tomorrow it will be a one motivational, one sharp for you. Definitely, my dear. Today it was late, but I am uploading on this called by Umer Mir. You can definitely watch it. इंस्टा में भी आप क्या करें वहां पर कुछ करो कुछ और नाम बता दो I will change the name if you have a new name for me for Instagram please give me that I can change okay no worry my dear okay see you tomorrow have a good day my dear hope you like the session